Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you. So today we're going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, and I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm setting myself up for failure. So let's see how much anxiety I can give myself in one video. Today's video is sponsored by no one. Just a thirsty. So I'm going to start off by using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's lavender, and it smells like lemon. So that'll mess you up a little bit. So I'm just going to put that all over my face. Seriously, it smells like lemon. Oh, I used too much. So this video is going to give me a lot of anxiety, like I said. All of my palettes are flipped over. So the mirror is this way, so it's face down on my table. Just to show you that they're like, literally, they're all like that. The ones that I can't, I'll put my hand over so that I'm not cheating. Without further ado, let's get this hot mess on the road. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 112. I'm going to do the best I can with giving a tutorial while I'm blind. So I'm going to take my Jeffree Star foundation brush and I'm going to apply it all over. I'm going to apologize in advance if I have no idea where I'm looking. Usually I'm staring here because my viewfinder's there, flipped around. So, well, we'll see. So speaking of foundations, I finally got my hands on the Juvia's Place because I didn't want to order it online because they don't have a return policy, which I think is bogus considering you're ordering it from Italy. So I waited until my Ulta got it in the store, which it did, I believe, earlier this week. And I went in and shade matched myself. So yeah, that was fun. Well, actually, no, I lied. I didn't shade match myself. I played with things. So their display, right, is a table with like a shelf on top. Cool, right? So I'm 6 foot tall. The lightest shade they have was 650, which if you didn't know, the shades are actually backwards. So the higher the number, the lighter the shade, which is kind of cool. I have no idea where to put this because I feel like I missed some place because I started getting distracted. Anyway, so back to my story because I got really off track there for a second because I'm trying to focus on where I'm putting this. So I went in to Ulta today and I was playing with it. And like I said, it's on a shelf. Well, kind of like a table with a shelf kind of sitting on top of it. And like I said, I was playing with those and I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend in everything. So I'm looking at these and I can't find my shade. So I'm like, whatever, I'll just skip it for now. So then I run into one of the girls that I know that work there, Christy. Always talking about her, because hey. So I was talking to her, and she's like, no, let's go over there, and we'll try to see what we can do. And I was like, okay. So we walk over to the table, and then we're looking at them, and we can't find one that's light enough for me. So then she crouches down, and I'm confused. There's a whole nother section underneath. What? I'm like 100 feet tall, so of course I missed it. So anyway, yeah, so I'm 100 feet tall, and I didn't see the bottom of the, I didn't see there was a second shelf to this. So I didn't see that the, hello? I didn't see that there was a second shelf, right? So whatever. We finally find my shade, which I think is going to be pretty close, if not perfect. Which is like one shade off from the one I was going to order online, so I could have technically had this weeks ago. But I don't like ordering foundations online because I feel like I get a better shade match in stores. And I feel like a lot of people can relate to that. Yes, I know I'm going to spend like 10 minutes on my foundation because I want to make sure I don't look weird or crazy. Which I'm probably going to look weird and crazy afterwards anyway, so who cares? So I'm going to take my concealer, which is the Instant Age Rewind. And I'm going to place it in the spots I always do. And we're going to hope that I blend it in. If you catch me looking over here, my dog's on the couch behind us. Can you tell me if I look okay? Will you help me cheat a little bit? No? Okay. Didn't think so, but I figured I would try. So now I'm going to take my RC May setting powder and I'm going to hopefully set my under eyes without leaving any powder behind. Why are you so cute? Do you want to come over here and do this for me? I wish they could, like, talk. I know that's probably a weird thing, but, like, I just want to know what's going on in their heads when, like, they're just sitting, like, he's sitting there staring at me right now. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, you're cute. Hopefully that's done. But we will never know until the end. So then taking my contour palette and my contour brush, I'm going to feel around and hope to God I'm putting it where it needs to go. I challenge anyone to do this at home because this is kind of stressful. Just kind of hoping and praying. So I don't normally sit here and buff with this brush, but I'm doing it for point because my luck, there's probably nothing even there. Like I didn't get enough on the brush or something. I don't know. It's just my fear. I don't know. And then if I did get enough on there, then at least I'm buffing it in. So now I'm going to take my powder brush, Cover FX, again, covering the mirror. Yes, I know, it's almost empty. So I'm just going to go in and do what I normally do and just kind of pat everything. Just a little bit. I know powder on powder on powder on powder, but what do you do? I'm sorry if I ramble a lot in this, because usually I'm like, I can look at myself and see what I'm doing and kind of explain like step by step. And I guess I can explain, but I'm trying to feel what I'm doing, if that makes sense. Which kind of sounds creepy. No, whatever. So I know that I put a ton of powder on. Because I use the MAC setting spray, I feel like it kind of just melts everything together. Because it is... Who did I watch that said it? It was very violent. It was a Nikki Tutorials. She did it. She said that she didn't like it because it was so violent. I kind of like it because then it just kind of, like I said, melts everything together. And then I don't feel like I look so dry. I don't know. Okay, I think that's enough, hopefully. I don't know, you tell me. Am I blended? Okay, so blush. I'm gonna take the shade Free, which is that pinky shade. So... Yeah, more powder, more powder. Actually, I'm not even applying more. I'm just kind of buffing everything together. So hopefully I don't look like a clown. Do you like my shirt? I call this my old rug shirt. Moving on to highlight, we are going to be using the Brain Freeze. And again, because it has a mirror, I'm going to open it this way so that you can see that I am not cheating. The mirror is facing this way. Highlight brush. Okay. So I'm going to go into Goldbreaker, which is this middle one I'm trying to show you without looking in the mirror. So now we're going to highlight. I feel like that's a lot, but I don't know. So closing it so I can't see, so I'm not cheating. This is something I never do, but because I'm nervous that I put too much on, I'm just gonna kind of pat that down with a little bit. I don't know, did I do it? Do I look better? Alright, let's screw up my eyebrows, because that's all I've dreamed of doing all day. So going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ash Brown, I'm gonna attempt to do this, I guess, because Lord knows. So I'm just gonna... Ooh, that was... Oh, there we go. Did I do it? Do I have two tails or one? I'm going to apologize now if I'm making funny faces. I literally can't see what I'm doing. So usually, like, if I'm looking in a mirror, I can, like, stop myself from making weird faces. I'm trying to not, like, breathe while I'm doing this. I feel like I just went, like, halfway into my eyebrow rather than, like, at the bottom like I normally do. Well, the world may never know. Well, at least you can, because you can see and I can't. So now I'm just going to take a spoolie brush and just kind of hope... Excuse you. Go on with your bad self. I don't need you. Go to Jen's. Bye. Go to Jen's. Okay. So anyway, so I'm going to take a clean spoolie. A clean spoolie. Try to hopefully blend my eyebrows. I can't do what I normally do because I can't see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to take the Gimme Brow in 4.5 and hope I put it in the right spot. like almost like the middle of my face, but whatever, no big deal. This is terrifying. I'm more scared of this than everything else. It's so hard to do this with no mirror. Okay, moving right along, since I'm sure I have like half eyebrows, but no big deal. Alright, so now I'm gonna prime my eyes, putting it on the back of my hand. Alright. Probably like the most stressful thing I'll do all day is this video. So since I didn't trust how my application went, I'm just going to take my same beauty blender and just kind of blend that in. Hopefully I got enough coverage. So I think I'm going to try to do some purples and stuff because I think that'll be fun and hopefully not a tragic mess, but we all know it probably will be because when you can't see what you're doing. All right, so I'm going to go into Gumdrop, which is this lighty, I don't even know if you can see what I'm showing you, but this one. So anyway, I'm just going to go into Gumdrop, and here we go. So how was everyone's day? Did that even do anything? Tell me, did it do anything? So I'm just going to, I guess, apply more, because I don't know. Is it blended? As I'm asking, is one shade blended? Okay, well, you know, I feel like that's my like blue steel face. Blue steel. And we're done. No. Anyway, so I'm gonna go into, and I'm going to hopefully put it right here and kind of blend it up a little bit. Did I do it? Did I do it? Am I doing it? So now I'm gonna attempt to cut my crease, kind of. Pray for me. Oh god, this is more scary than the eyebrow thing, but I'm sure my eyebrows are a hot mess. You know, I was gonna make a joke about how I don't get paid enough for this. Then I realized I don't get paid at all. At all. Hope that's done. Okay, so now, let's see, I did purple, purple, purple. So I'm gonna play with this cotton candy shade, which is that lighter pink. And I'm gonna put that in my corner-ish, kind of, sort of, maybe, a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to apply that. And hope to God we're doing it. Now, the goal of this is to try to leave this inner corner, which I just now touched, so never mind. Well, anyway, so my goal was to leave a little bit of that inner corner so I could put a lighter shade there, but I don't know if I just ruined it, so something tells me this doesn't look good. But, you know what? Whatevs. So now my favorite part, I'm going to try to do a wing. Here's to hoping. Is it perfect? Oh, this is so... Oh, I did something. I did a bad thing. I can't see what I'm doing. I can tell you right now that I can feel where the wet is and where it should be, and it's not in the right spot. I feel like it's perfect. Do you? Wow. Okay. So anyway, now we're going to do the other side and try to recreate that. Nope. It's the middle of my eyelid. Oh my god. I can tell you I am so... Oh, yep. Nope. We're done. Whew. Okay. We can do this. We can finish this at least. I don't know where I'm going. Okay. Found my eye. Oh. Oh. I'm done. Okay? Can we just like... So now I'm just going to go and go back to what I forgot to do, and I was just going to put a little bit of this pink underneath my waterline. I don't trust that I did a good job. Hi, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I'd like to do your makeup today. So now I'm going to put some mascara on, which I'm terrified for because I'm going to poke out my eye. I can just tell you that right now. I'm so excited. Okay. I just touched my nose. I can feel it. I just touched my nose. Is there a dot? Is there a dot? If there is, I just pressed it in because I don't see anything. So maybe I'm good. Maybe I'm good. Okay. Whew, that is terrifying to do with no mirror. This part I don't recommend you do at home, but everything else, try it. But if you poke your eye out, it's not my fault. I bet you I look crazy. I'm gonna do something I don't normally do, and I'm going to put on a lip liner, and then I'm gonna put on some gloss. Now, normally I know I wear gloss a lot, so I feel like it's not cheating if it's something I do all the time. Hopefully it's on there. Who knows? So I believe this is by Dominique Dominique Cosmetics. Maybe I hope I don't remember. This is in peach tea. So it's kind of like a pinky. And it smells like cupcakes. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm taking the Becca Glow Gloss in the shade Champagne Cream, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. I'm just gonna kind of tap that on. This one doesn't smell as good. No, this one doesn't smell good at all. Now I get to see what I look like. Okay. I'm nervous. I don't want to see. Alright, so I'm gonna this palette, and I'm just gonna flip the mirror around. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I look. Let's start off with the lips. That liner is not doing me justice. It makes me look like I work on the corner for some money. Overlined a little bit with the gloss, which is fine because like I could just easily do that and fix it, but I still look like a streetwalker. Wow, that winged liner looks about as good as I did on that first video, if I'm being quite honest with you. I just dropped Jeffree. No. Crisis averted, it's fine. However, the palette underneath of it is not, but it was garbage anyway. My thoughts on this are the lips are terrible, the eyeliner is terrible. The eyeshadow I'm actually not mad at for, like, I know it's not like an actual cut crease because you try doing a cut crease without being able to see. It's not too bad, though the liner did transfer because I opened my eyes obviously too soon. This one I actually got to my lash line. And this one, if you can see, there's like almost a whole like quarter of an inch in there that's like missing. And I have 2. Whereas this one, I have 1. My eyebrows are trash. This is not blended at all. And then I have like nothing down here. But I can see when I was saying earlier, when I went like straight up, I can see the line of where I went, but I'm missing all these spaces right in here. A lot of fallout that I couldn't get rid of because I couldn't see. The highlight on my nose is really clumpy right here. Oh my god, I look like a damn mess. Okay, we're done. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully more than I did because this is a mess. I'm so sorry. This is 2 videos in a row where you get to see me looking a mess. At least this time was more for fun. The last time I was trying to be serious. Ish. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up.